Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another hotel tour vlog again, and our location is at Hotel De La Ferns, Cameron Highlands. And so if you are planning of having a short stay here in Cameron Highlands, you may want to check this hotel out by staying with me, as I will show you the room where we stayed here in De La Ferns. And for everyone's easy booking, I put the link of the hotel's booking address in the description below, so you can just visit it and check out their rooms. Ayan, nandito na kami sa De La Ferns Hotel. And by the way, if you're new to my channel, I make hotel tour travel contents like this, so make sure to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay updated in my travel vlogs. The lobby is spacious, clean, and decorated with a classic touch, which gives a warm and welcoming feeling to the guests. The staff is extremely courteous and helpful in every possible way, making us feel right at home.
So ayan, ito yung entrance dyan sa tinatayuan ni Kim.
What's more, the hotel is located right next to a steamboat restaurant, so you can indulge in some delicious local cuisine and enjoy some hot soup, perfect with Cameron Highlands cold weather, just steps away from your hotel room. Ayan na, mag-breakfast na po tayo. Ito po yung breakfast nila. Mismong tabi lang po ng lobby. Doon na agad si mama. Ang cute naman ng ano nila dito. It's very cute. Saan tayo? Ayan, matutubig lang ako today. Dahil kahapon, na-dehydrate ako. Wala akong inom-inom ng tubig. Nakalimutan ko na. Hot tea, coffee, orange juice, pink guava. Bakit yung juice nila nakalagay sa stainless steel? Yan. Yan, kuha na kami ng food. Nakakatakam naman yung watermelon. Ayan, with salad. Yan, konti lang po yung portion nila ng ng mga food dito.
Gusto mo ng nasi?
Hindi ko nga alam eh. Mamaya. So, nasi lamak po yan. Gagawa na lang po kayo ng ng sarili ninyong nasi lamak. Andito po yung mga condiments, sambal, ayam goreng. Ayam goreng. Oh, ayam goreng. Ayan, kumukuha na si mama ng nasi lamak condiments. Vegetarian daw, ma. Parang ang sarap. Vegetarian yarn. Vegetarian po kami ni mother. Hindi pa kami pwedeng kumain ng pork or any meat. Char. Pinanindigan. Control talaga yung kain niya, oh. Small lang. Ito yung paborito ni mamang red beans. Ano naman ito? Wow, French toast daw.
Sige pa.
Sabaw na lang. Wow, hash brown sausage. Sharp yarn. Roti canai. masarap itong roti canai. Yan, kumuha si mama ng roti canai. Yan, kuha kami ng hash brown.
Ilang
Hash brown. Ay,
soup.
so, punta tayo dito banda sa labas. Mag-request tayo ng omelette. Ang ganda-ganda ng morning. Yan, nakapaluto kami ng sunny side up at saka ng omelette. Stella, yan si kuya. Wow, makita nyo dito yung misty mountains ng Cameron. Ano kinukuha mo, ma? Black tea? Hot coffee. Oh, hot coffee. Natakot siya eh. Ayan, namaya mag-water lang ako.
Sorry. The croissant, you know?
Favorite omelette.
Dito nga sila. Huwag silang tutumi, ah.
It says, Daddy, sharing is here. Sabi ni Daddy, yung bird daw, pumasok daw. Kumuha daw ng rice niya. May parang konti lang yung tao dito. Kami lang. Sarap. Yung rating daw ni Daddy is 6/10.
O 5.
5? Ako mamaya na ako mag-rate. Kakain muna ako.
Masarap yung pancit nila. Omelette, masarap din.
Si Kuya nagluto niya.
Masarap yung cook nila ng omelette.
When it comes to the food, the hotel does not disappoint. This hotel has many good food reviews. The food is simple but incredibly tasty, and I personally rate it an 8 out of 10. As someone who isn't too picky about food, and as long as it's delicious, I am happy and satisfied with it.
Saka hindi sila madamot sa gatas.
Saan ba ito?
Pero may mainit, may malamig na gatas. Which one you like?
Maala, American style bang pagkain din? Iikot sa kutsara.
Parang gusto ko pa na masarap yung po sa bread nila.
Paborito kang omelette. Ang sarap yung kuluto ni Kuya. De La Ferns. Ito na yung 208. Knock knock. Who's there? Knock knock. Who's there? The room was spacious, clean, and well furnished, making it a comfortable stay for me and my family. This room comes with a queen bed and a single bed, making it perfect for small families or groups of friends. The beds were cozy and the bathroom was clean and well equipped with basic amenities. However, I must note that the bathroom comes with a bathtub instead of a shower cubicle, where my family and I don't really use a bathtub, and I personally prefer a shower cubicle as it is safer and more convenient, as the bathtub can get really slippery when you stand on it, so you need to be careful and hold on to the handle on the wall to prevent accidents. Ito naman po yung itsura sa gabi. Ayan, ang munting ilaw niya, ang cute. Good morning! Ayan, talagang puyat na puyat pa ako. Ang laki na ng eye bag ko eh. Hindi napasarap kasi yung tulog ko. Ngayon, second day na namin sa breakfast. Another breakfast. Parang mas malamig ngayon araw ah.
Rest lang.
Lamig-lamig.
Mas malamig na hapon.
Mas nanginginig ako ngayon kaysa kahapon, umaga.
Nag-shower kasi ako ngayon kasi siguro hindi ako masyado nilala.
Wala akong kutsara tinidor? Wala sila nilagyan ng kutsara tinidor. Wala pala akong kutsara tinidor. Ngayon ko lang naalala, wala pala kami kutsara tinidor.
Ay.
Omelette. Yan. Makain ako ngayon ng second breakfast ko. Sobrang lamig dito. Parang mas malamig ngayon. Dumating pa yung dalaw ko ngayon. Parang hindi ko feel maligo. Yan. Ito yun naman ang aking face. Bare face yarn. So, dito na dito po yung aking mga sumpa dyan. Sumpa talaga. Wala tayong any powder dyan. Overall, Hotel De La Ferns, Cameron Highlands is an excellent hotel that I would highly recommend to anyone visiting the area. It's conveniently located, has a spacious parking lot, great food, and comfortable rooms. Thank you for watching my hotel room review, and I hope this information helps you in planning your next trip. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel-related content.